What's up, guys? So we're out here with the skid steer again today. We got the grapple bucket. It's gonna be a treat. See what we got going on here. A tree fell across this new camper and their old one, so we're gonna get in here with the grapple bucket and start hacking and pulling stuff away with the grapple. So should be a good time. And we got to go do a wheel seal and a massive steer tire on one of those big Western Stars tonight. So we'll be doing that in the lot. So stay tuned, guys. So we got the machine holding on to it. He's up there cutting. Try to lift it off here. There it is. Little teetery. You can see from the top side of this camper, it's pretty smashed, smushed. So is this one. It's probably just gonna end up being a short video because there's a lot of people here getting in the way and stuff. So. So I'll probably grab a saw and start buzzing this one up here. It's my bridge to get across. Put it down over there. Got old Glenn Duff from Duff Trucking down there. It's actually his mom and dad's house. Where he's gonna grab on next. Hey Glenn, I'm gonna come down, hand me up his saw. Or have Martin bring it around back, Martin. Go around to the back. They're gonna cut that one right now. I got Martin bringing me a saw. So I'm gonna meet Martin back here. They're already going at it. Well, I just got this one cut free. He's hauling it out. I have to take care of the stuff up on the camper. I'll finish chopping this one up and throwing it down. I'm gonna cut that one up and throw it off. So I'm gonna get this one cut up real quick. So I got all them small ones cut up, tossed off. Pretty crazy. Things like 4 trees in one. I think all we got left is trim down that trunk and bust down these last few long stems. And then they can start cutting the firewood over there. That's not our job, we're not here for that. So, going pretty easy. pluck that log, that side piece off right there. Alright guys, it's all done. Done this part up. So, cameras are cleared off. Just gotta deal with this wood. I have to